Got this guy in today from Apple for, what was it, $6.99 plus tax and free shipping with FedEx Express. I was actually rather impressed. They must have some really good rates to be able to ship that for free. It's part of the Hot Wheels ID sets that have come out. Right now it's exclusive to iTunes, but apparently it will be coming out to Android in, I believe, a month. Hot Wheels ID. Connect safely, play endlessly. I might eventually get the Hot Wheels ID track later on for my kids, but right now they're a little bit too young to understand or appreciate it. So for now, I'll just be collecting the cars, and of course I'm a huge Viper fanatic, so I had to get the Viper. Welcome to your virtual garage. This is your SRT Viper GTS-R. Track performance, speed, very high. Laps, not so much. Races is good. Series 1, Speed Demons. And the cool part is, it's a magnetic box. Hot Wheels up in their game. Alright, see how to open this guy. So there's two pieces of tape top of each other, and it slides out. It's actually pretty fancy for Mattel. Let's see. Oh man, I love the feel of that paint. You know, I was gonna put some Real Riders on here, but I actually really like the way that wheel looks. Man, I love the tampos on this one though. See, I wish like Johnny Lightning or Greenlight or someone would make these Vipers. Because I mean, to do this style and a higher quality cast would be amazing. This paint really shines too. They did brag about it being the Spectrafame blue. And it's got that base for the track. I believe it has a chip inside there. Yep, you can actually see it. That is very cool. Guess unrolls pretty good. You know what? I gotta race this on my Hot Wheels track now, my downhill. I want to see how good it does compared to the other ones. I'm guessing... You know, actually, I don't know. It's got some weight to it, so it might do pretty good. Anyways, guys, if you're getting some of the cars from the Hot Wheels ID track, let me know. So far in the first release, this was like the main one I wanted. I saw someone get the Bone Shaker, so I do need to get that one. And I know the next couple waves have some pretty awesome cars coming out. So, as always, guys, happy hunting.